So welcome everybody. I'm Tim. I'm a support engineer at AMP Media, and I'm going to introduce the start of the hackathon. So today is the kickoff, and this is the agenda at the moment. So tomorrow we have the demos and the judging period, and then we'll have the award ceremony. So a lot of you might have already started building your products, but this weekend will be a time where you can reach out to us, and there'll be some mentors, which we'll get into later on, that you can contact us and help you. And also we're going to show you some ideas of, in case you don't have any ideas yet about what you want to build. And so this is about the challenge. So as I said, it's about building on top of AMP Media Server and building applications or plugins. So use your imagination. And we have some starter kits as well, which we were sent out in some emails. If you haven't got that, we'll be able to provide that for you. It's got information like, oh, thanks, yeah, he sent it now in the chat. We've got in that starter kit, we've got things like details about what AMP Media is, the key dates and deliverables that we expect for this challenge, and also sample ideas. So not everybody might have an idea about what they want to build. And yeah, we just put a link out there now. We've got lots of ideas for you in case you don't have any ideas. And some of these are actually what customers are asking for. So some customers are really ready to go to pay for features and functionality that you can take on and you can build for them. And all these applications and plugins will be have the opportunity to go into our marketplace. AMP Media Server have our own marketplace that we just started, and you have the opportunity to list them in there, and they'll be sold, and you can generate revenue for yourself. The whole point of this hackathon is to really try and collaborate with people, and have AMP Media want to collaborate and build a kind of ecosystem to really push forward with live streaming, webrtc, and this is the opportunity that we're presenting. So what we expect at the end of the development process is final video presentation. So what we need is a 3-minute video of your application, your plugins. Record a 3-minute video of it, showing what it does. You can have any slides in there, you can talk about it, and and we expect all the files as well. We need it would be a WAR file if it's an application. It will be an APK or IPA if it's for mobile. And these are sort of things we expect you to provide to us for the finals, and this is what the judges will use to assess your products, your projects. And there'll be a 1 or 2 minute Q&A after it. But what we also expect as well is that you will give an actual demo of your product after this video presentation. Everything will be recorded as well. And these are your judges. I don't know if any of the judges are here, want to say anything, but yeah, we have Oz is our co-founder. He's the most knowledgeable about the product, and we've got Alpa here, who's been at AMP Media for a long time and has lots of knowledge about AMP Media Server and has seen all different kinds of use cases. And Mustafa, our software engineer. So yeah, I mean, do you guys want to say anything? Say hello? I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Thanks
for the intro. We are very excited. Actually, this is the volume 3, and I'm expecting much different stuff than before this time. And then every time when we see when we run hackathon, we get excited because we see different applications and different ideas which excite us, and that will be very also contributing to our marketplace for our attendees, and they can have potential to kind of sell their solutions as well, and that is a very good opportunity for them too. and also it is good for all of the community that we have as well, like admin servers and users and the new joiners. I hope it's going to be very exciting journey for these 2 days.
Thank you. Yes, exactly. So yeah, I'm also looking forward to see what is going to be created as well. The judging criteria. So as we said, we want to try and revolutionize WebRTC. We're trying to be what we call the WordPress of the live streaming. So the app needs to be ready to use. It has to be a concept that can be demonstrated, and has to be, they have to actually demo this product, and it has to be working. We want, creativity, innovation, try and be interactive. WebRTC is supposed to be interactive. Let's try and get interactive. Actually, try and influence the stream, and user-friendly and open source. These are all the qualities that we are looking for these applications and plugins. And all of these will add points to your team. And there'll be 3 winners at the end. And yeah, as it says here, that if there's a tie, then extra points are for originality. So if you are really creative and try and build something different, then that's going to add more points for your team. And these are the current teams that have already submitted. So if you haven't submitted your idea or your team, you still have time. But these are we've got 16 teams right now, and there's some really great ideas already here. I'm already looking at things like a music app or a browser-based studio. Looks really exciting, and all of these things will add a lot of value to customers, to the Amp Media product, and for overall, like, making live streaming easy for people. And that's the whole point, is to make live streaming available and easy for everybody. Yeah, so we've got, this looks really good. Data buffer, I'm interested to know what that will do. And IPTV. Yeah, I don't know if anyone wants to say anything about these. They look pretty good. I'm quite excited to know and see all these working. And this is the prize pool. So first prize is $3,000. So if you do submit more than one idea, you can do that if you like. You have the opportunity to win all 3 if you like. But obviously that's a lot of work. But yeah, this is the prize pool. So we've got 3 prizes up for grabs. But even if you don't win, it's okay. Your product can still get listed in our marketplace with the opportunity to sell it and make revenue. And that's what we want to do, is we want to collaborate and build an ecosystem that allows our community to make money and make revenue and be successful. Which is why we also want to introduce some further opportunities for our community, starting with GitHub discussions. So we moved our support forum over to GitHub discussions. And what we're doing now, there's a lot of questions out there. What we're doing is we're offering $5 if you answer the question and it's marked as the correct answer. We're offering $5 to you as a way to stimulate more activity and to help the community and build collaboration. We're also looking at introducing an affiliate program, which is if you really like Amp Media Server and you want to talk about it and you want to write content, reviews, links or collaborations with other people, you have the opportunity to earn revenue by driving leads for us and driving sales. That's another way of partnering with us. And of course, a free Starbucks coffee, because we want to be friends and we want to have coffee with our friends. So if you please like us or follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, you can do it now or whenever you feel that you have time, and we'll give you a Starbucks coffee for our friends, and we'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so during the hackathon, this next 2 days, these are the ways you can connect with us. So you can email partnerships at Amp Media, and there's also a Slack channel that you can join and ask all your questions there. We'll be available to you throughout the couple of days. And these are the mentors there listed, all of these guys, and I'll probably be there, pick things up as well. So you can ask us all questions, and if you get stuck, and there is a doc site you can go to if you haven't reviewed that yet as well. There's lots of information on there. But in terms of contacting us, this is how you would do it. There's an email address there, and the Slack. Is the Slack channel? I don't know. The Slack channel. Do you want to post that just in case people want to join now quickly? I don't know. In the chat.
Yep.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah. Using Slack channel could be faster as well. Therefore, they may prefer using Slack instead of email, but email is also fine.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if you've not started anything yet, you might want quick answers. So Slack might be a bit faster for you to contact us to get information. Yeah. Okay. And so this is the deadline. So if you haven't started or you're still working on it, this is the absolute deadline in order to participate and have the opportunity to win. Is 3 p.m. Tomorrow CET. We want the recorded video, three minutes of recording of your product, your application or plugin. You can talk about it, explain about it, like why you built it, what the reason for it, how you think it's going to make a difference, and on all the necessary files that we need as well. I guess even if you don't make this deadline, you can still submit it and you can still have the opportunity for our marketplace. So don't worry about that. Like, don't feel pressured. The idea is we want to build this ecosystem, this collaboration together, and to build products and applications and plugins and really push the limits of live streaming. So we're really excited for you to be a part of that. So don't feel that even if you don't make this, you want to give up. Don't give up. Like, please keep going and reach out to us.
So, Tim, can I remind something?
Yeah.
So these recorded videos, we most probably share them on the YouTube channel, and maybe some of them we are gonna upload on the marketplace of Ant Media. So, guys, if you can make them attractive, it will get more users, and it means that more traffic for your application or plugin on the marketplace. So it is a small hint for you.
Yeah, absolutely. That's right. Like, exactly. Make it into a kind of marketing video for your application or product. Exactly. This will be good for you. It's not just necessarily for the hackathon. Like, we can use these videos to promote your products and applications, to drive you traffic and revenue. So treat them, as that. Okay. And is there any questions? Does anyone have any questions about this? Let's check the chat. Has anyone asked? No one's asked any questions in the chat. Does anyone have anything they want to ask or say or discuss? No. Sample. We could go through some sample ideas in case no one's have any ideas, if you like, or we could even discuss what kind of features and functionality customers want to try and inspire people to build products for what people are asking for, customers are asking for, if you like.
Yeah, maybe. Or we can let hackers do their work and get ready for the finals.
Yeah, they have a lot of work to do. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you for being here. Tim has explained and presented the real-time streaming hackathon, the third one. It was the kickoff day. As Alper said, and everyone of us said, we are really excited for the finals, the demo presentations. So let's see what will happen tomorrow at 3 p.m. CET. Let's make the world a better place. Thanks to our codes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay.
Thank
And,
you,
Yeah.
everyone.
we're looking forward.
Yeah. See you tomorrow then.
We will be available on Slack channel, or you can send us an email.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.
Great.
Thank you, Nikhil.
Good luck, guys. See you all. Bye.
See you, Mohit.
Bye.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys. Have a
Bye
good
bye
day.
bye bye Richard. Bye bye.
Yeah. Good luck.